How to fix WhatsApp status quality on iPhone. To fix your WhatsApp status quality on iPhone, what you have to do is, if I open a WhatsApp and if you're trying to maybe update a status, and basically it's in a fairly lower resolution that you might have preferred. In order to fix this, the first thing you want to check is ensure that while you're updating your status, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection and not mobile data. If you turn on mobile data, then it might try to save your data, and by doing that, it will also compress some of the qualities. Within WhatsApp, you want to simply go to the settings icon from the bottom right of the screen, and here you can go to storage and data. From storage and data, you can see network usage. Under network usage, you can choose to turn off use less data for calls. Under upload quality, you want to select HD quality instead of SD or standard quality. Then auto download quality, also you can set this to HD quality. Then once you've done that, media auto download and everything, you want to turn these things on. Now you can go to your updates tab, refresh the WhatsApp application, and now try to add a status. It will be in a fairly higher quality than before. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.